Hey everyone, welcome back to Roza's English. Today, we have a delicious lesson for you. We are going to learn common cooking verbs. These are the action words you need to use when you are in the kitchen. I will show you the picture and the word. Listen and repeat after me. Let's get started. First up, peel. Peel. Can you say that? Peel. For example, you peel the potatoes before boiling them. Next, squeeze. Squeeze. You squeeze the lemon to get juice. Then we have spread. Spread. I like to spread butter on my bread. This one is common for breakfast. Crack. Crack. You crack the eggs into a bowl. Now, let's stir. Stir. Gently stir the soup so it doesn't burn. Here's slice. Slice. Let's slice the cucumber for a salad. And mash. Mash. After boiling, you can mash the potatoes. Next is pour. Pour. Can you pour the water into the glass, please? Time for roast. Roast. We're going to roast the chicken in the oven for dinner. Always remember to wash. Wash. It's important to wash the vegetables before cooking. If you're making pizza, you need to roll. Roll. You roll out the dough to make it flat. Another breakfast word. Toast. Toast. I always toast the bread for breakfast. Here's chop. Chop. You need to chop the onions finely for this recipe. Then we have grate. Grate. Let's grate the cheese for our pasta. A fun one. Dip. Dip. I love to dip my biscuit in the tea. Now let's fry. Fry. We will fry the fish in hot oil until it's golden. And boil. Boil. You need to boil the water before you add the pasta. For baking, you might need to whisk. Whisk. Let's whisk the eggs and sugar together until they are fluffy. Always remember to taste. Taste. It's a good idea to taste the soup to check the salt. Here is melt. Melt. We'll melt the chocolate to pour over the cake. Then, sprinkle. Sprinkle. Let's sprinkle some salt and pepper on top. After boiling pasta, you need to drain. Drain. You drain the water from the pasta using a colander. For bread making, you knead. You have to knead the dough for the bread until it's smooth. A French cooking term. Saute. Saute. We will saute the garlic and onions first. When the food is ready, you serve. Serve. It's best to serve the food while it is hot. Making pancakes? You have to flip. Flip. It's time to flip the pancake to cook the other side. To get smooth flour for a cake, you sift. Sift. You should sift the flour to remove any lumps. For a healthy drink, you blend. Blend. Let's blend the fruits to make a delicious smoothie. Who loves cake? Bake. Bake. I want to bake a cake for my friend's birthday. And of course, add. Don't forget to add spices to the curry for more flavor. Finally, for a big roast, you carve. Carve. You need to carve the meat carefully into slices. Great job, everyone. Now you know the most common action verbs used in the kitchen. Which one do you use the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Roza's English for more vocabulary lessons. See you in the next video.